Welcome to the second tutorial for the CCSG Membership Application module. In this tutorial, we'll cover accessing your created application form as an applicant, editing and completing an application, and administrative review of submitted applications. First, let's start by accessing our created application form from the administrator. To access your created form, navigate to Tools, and then select Application Collection and Review. On the right-hand menu, select Manage Forms. From this page, you'll see all your created forms. Select Actions, and then Information to access the metadata for your form. Every form that you create will have a dedicated link that you can use to broadcast and invite interested applicants to use. We have conveniently provided a copy option to quickly access the application link. Simply click the link to copy to your clipboard. This link can be embedded in emails, or you can have them posted publicly for quick access to your application form. Let's go through our created form from the view of an interested applicant. The application form is protected with a login to allow ResearchLogix to acquire users' basic information. They can create a ResearchLogix profile or sign in with the credentials that they have already been set up for them. If your institution is using our single sign-on option, they can use their institutional credentials to sign into ResearchLogix. After logging in, they will be redirected to your created form. The first page will be the welcome page that you created in the first tutorial. This will contain important information that you feel would be relevant prior to them starting the application process. Using the navigation provided at the top and at the bottom of the page, they can progress throughout the application. The next page will show your customized questions. Instead of showing field information, you'll see that the form fields have been rendered to collect their information. If you have required specific fields, they will not be able to proceed until they have completed the required form fields. After they've completed the fields, they can navigate to the next section. The Document Uploads page will allow users to be able to use drag and drop technology to quickly upload required and relevant files for your application process. Simply drag and drop files onto the provided space. Once uploaded, applicants will be able to select and identify what each of their documents refer to. You'll notice from the drop-down that it's going to be populated with the documents that you have selected for the application process. After they've completed this step, they can proceed to the confirmation page. The final step is the confirmation page that you created in the first tutorial. This could contain next steps according to your application process. At any point during the application process, the applicant can leave and return to the form to make edits. When they are ready to submit their application, they just need to click the Submit Your Application button provided. At this stage, they will receive the confirmation that it's been sent, and will also receive a confirmation email letting them know that their completed application is in process. When applications are submitted, the administrator you identified in the form will receive a confirmation email that someone has submitted an application. A direct link will be provided in the confirmation email for quick access. To access all your submitted applications, navigate to Tools, and then Application Collection and Review. A listing of all submitted applications will be available. The table will include the applicant's name, their email, application type, and the last action conducted within the application. To view the application, click Actions and then View Application. This is the application workspace. Top navigation will allow you to view and edit different parts of the application. The initial page is the application itself, completed with the information entered by the applicant. The first column is the completed questions. The second column is documents that have been uploaded for the application. The right column is a historical log of all actions performed within the application. This will be updated regularly when individuals, including reviewers, administrators, and applicants, interact with the application. This concludes the second tutorial for the CCSG Application Review module. In the next tutorial, we'll cover the evaluation process, setting up invitations, assigning reviewers, creating an evaluation, and submitting evaluations as a reviewer.